Bahmani Manufacturing and Industrial Technology is a trusted leader in diesel generator manufacturing, proudly based in the UAE. Our strength lies in precision metal fabrication and expert craftsmanship, all carried out in-house at our state-of-the-art facility. We specialize in fabricating generator canopies using galvanized steel and skids using mild steel, built to withstand tough operating environments. Every component is crafted with attention to detail and built to last, ensuring both durability and operational reliability. Bahmani Manufacturing and Industrial Technology continues to support a wide range of industries across the region, providing custom solutions that power real results.